Whoa. Wow. Whoa, what's this? This is amazing. Okay. Let's check what's wrong here. Let's go in. Oh yeah. Go to the grave area. Yeah. Oh, yes. Lucas. Hey, look here. Can we go here? Let's go here. Where's the penguin? Hi guys, amazing. Jared, look, Jared.
Ooh, I didn't say man.
Jared.
Excuse me.
Jared.
There's a penguin. I saw it.
There's a penguin there. Guys, there's a penguin. Wait, penguins.
Wow.
This one there. Penguin. Is that illegal?
Yeah, that's illegal.
Hey, what am I? I'm a mom? You mean I'm a dad? No, mom. I'm not here. Wait.
I tried to move this part. It's not moving.
Go! Penguin!
Oh, no, look. I tried to move this part here.
Okay. Let's see this here. Another penguin. It's like a train.